my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Excel module 3 SAM training. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your training without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyITLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exam, simulation training, midterm exam, final exams or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and others. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today's SAM training and go through it step by step. The first question is, without using parentheses, enter a formula in cell G4 that determines the projected 2021 salary less healthcare for the employee by adding the value in cell C4 to the product of cell C4 multiplied by cell E4 and then subtracting the value in cell F4. As you can select this cell without using parentheses, enter a formula equals to C4 plus C4 multiplied by E4 minus F4, then click OK. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 2. In cell D19, create a formula using the count function to count the number of values in the range D5 to D18. You can click on this cell D19 and type a formula equal to count, then add a value range D5 to D18, then hit enter. Apply complete. Question number 2 are completed now. Now move to the next question and click on apply button. Our next question is, in cell F4, enter a formula using the if function that returns a value of yes if cell E4 is greater than 1 lakh and a value of no if not. Basically in this question you will have to write a function in cell F4 and return a value of yes if E4 is greater than 1 lakh. If E4 are greater than 1 lakh, then return a yes. If not, the value return no. Go to the cell F4 and write a formula equals to then go to the formula tab, then click on the insert function, click on this tab, and then you can choose from this drop down logical, click on this and you can see that there are many functions are here. You can select the if function, click on if and then OK. In the logical test, E4, if E4 greater than 1 lakh, if E4 greater than 1 lakh, if E4 greater than 1 lakh, then return a value yes. If E4 are not greater than 1 lakh, then return a value no. Then press OK. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. The next question is, in cell B2, create a formula using the today function to display the current date. Basically in this question you will have to display the current date and use a function in cell B2. You can go to the cell B2 and write a function equals to, then go to the formula tab, then click on the date and time drop down, and you can choose the formula today. Then type today, then press OK. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. In cell B6, create a formula using the round function that rounds the value in cell J6 to an integer with 0 decimal places. You can go to the cell B6. This is a B6. Using the round function, you have used round function, round, that rounds the value in cell J6. You can type a value J6 and 0 decimal places. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. In cell F5, enter a formula using a nested if function to calculate the bonus amount using the following function arguments. Type d5 equal to 3 in the logical text. In the logical text box, type e5 multiplied by 0.1 in the value if true text box, and type if d5 equal to 2, then e5 multiplied with 0.050 in the value if false text box. You can click on this cell F5 and write a formula if. Click on this fx function, d5 multiply with 3, d5 equal to 3, then value if true you will have to write e5 multiplied by 0.1 in the value if true text box, and type and if d5 multiplied by 2 if d5 equal to 2, then e5 multiplied by 0.05, then press OK. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. The next question is, in cell H4, enter a formula using the AND function with F4 greater than 3 as the logical 1 condition and G4 greater than 4 as the logical 2 condition. Excel will return a value of true if both conditions are met and a value of false if one or both of the conditions are not met. Then go to this cell H4 and write a formula and click on this logical 1 F4 greater than 3, then logical 2 G4 greater than 4 as the 2 logical condition. Then press OK. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. In cell F5, enter a formula using the OR function that returns a value of true if either the condition E5 greater than 25,000 or the condition D5 greater than equals to 3 is met. E5 greater than 25,000 question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Click on apply button. Create and apply a custom format code to cell in range B3 to D3 using the year format. Select this range, click on this, then custom. You can write your own format. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. In cell F19, create a formula using the count A function that counts the number of cells that are not empty in the range F5 to F18. F5 to F18, write a formula in cell F19 equals to count A cells F5 to F18. Question are done now. We have now completed Excel module 3 SAM training. Then click on OK. I will show you grades for this simulation. Then click on OK and close it. I will show you grades. Back this, then OK. Assignment submitted. Then click on Open MyITLab for grades. Wait for some second because my internet are slowing. Then go to the Excel, then click on Excel module 3. I will show you my grades. Then you can see that Excel module 3 SAM training, I got 100 by 100% grades in this simulation training. If you do not able to do this training, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I can handle all online courses: MyITLab IT, MyITLab Finance, MyITLab PowerPoint, MyITLab IT, Cengage, Blackboard and other courses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.